Hey there! Imagine you can get paid for categorizing images in just a few clicks. No special skills required, just your keen eye and some free time. It's simple, engaging, and perfect for anyone wanting to boost their income. Before I get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest money-making tips. And drop a comment below letting me know where you're tuning in from. I'd love to create more videos tailored to your country. Alright, let's talk about Hive Micro. This site is perfect if you want to earn extra cash in your spare time. Hive Micro is a micro-job platform that pays you to do easy tasks. Things like categorizing images, labeling videos, and other simple data entry jobs. Most of these tasks help train artificial intelligence, but you don't need to be a tech genius to get started. All you need is your attention to detail and a few minutes here and there. Now, what's great about Hive Micro is it's available worldwide. Seriously, you can do this from almost anywhere, and there's even a mobile app for both Android and iOS. That means you can work from your phone, whether you're on the couch, at a coffee shop, or even in bed. Before you start earning, you'll need to fill out your demographic profile. Don't skip this step. It helps Hive Micro match you with the right jobs. Once your profile is done, just tap the Jobs tab and check out all the tasks waiting for you. Most of them involve looking at images or videos and making quick decisions, like telling the system what's in a picture or checking if something is appropriate. The jobs themselves are pretty straightforward, but here's the catch: you have to be accurate. Hive Micro expects a 95% accuracy rate, so take your time and double-check your work. If you dip below that, you might not get access to as many tasks. Every time you finish a job, your earnings pop right into your account. You can cash out with PayPal or even Bitcoin once you hit the $10 minimum. Payments go out automatically every Tuesday, so you don't have to worry about chasing your money down. So, if you've got a little free time and want to boost your income from anywhere in the world, Hive Micro is definitely worth a look. Have you tried it already? Or maybe you have questions? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new way to make money online. Catch you in the next one.